Alright, so we are up here near Shaver Lake and we're going to ride up to Bald Mountain. Got our little camp spot for the day. Temperature's perfect, should have a good ride.
Smile upon my face, 'cause there's excitement in the chase, this I know. Yeah, I'm going for the ride and find myself, I am alive and I soar. Still I run towards the wind and let the challenge draw me in, 'cause I want more. Oh, we are all looking for adventure. We are all looking for adventure. We are all looking for adventure. We are all living free, living free, living free, and I was meant to be. I'm living free, living free, living free, and I was meant to be free, meant to be free.
It is Shaver Lake, the top of Bald Mountain.
That's what I was talking about. Yeah, no kidding.
Tommy already climbed up to the top of the tower.
People ask me what my secret is, I just smile and say, follow me. Life's too short not to really
All right, we're gonna walk over to the edge of the cliff.
Well, you know, to be honest with you, I'd rather have riding gear on if I'm going to go over.
Me too.
Just got a helmet.
Ooh, here we go.
Surviving.
I don't know if this actually shows on the camera very well, but man, it is a sheer cliff right here. I'm not.
Statistics.
I'm not. Yeah, beautiful meadow down there. We got the Shaver Lake.
Like your brain doesn't.
Man, it's just beautiful up here today.